guys, so today I will make pancakes. So I already started without it. So I put an egg, my mom put water, and that's all I know. This is very tiring, kind of. Starting my hand.
Mommy also put this one. That one.
Still sick.
Eh. May ubo. Let's put more water. Ano?
It's making.
Oh, ang dami. Ay, ang dami. Oh, sige, go.
It's gonna be a very watery pancake, Mom.
Make sure you will stir it properly, ha?
Dan, can you hold the bowl? I don't get some food, Daddy. Gotta help me. Now I'm gonna put the pan in the stove. Orange. Now the pan is ready. Now I'm gonna put the butter. This is kind of hard. How do you do this? Mom?
You can get a spoon if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Oh,
We will let the butter to melt.
baba mo muna ito. Baba mo yan. Baba. Here. Ayan, we will melt this.
Can I try?
Oh. Oh, go. Ganunin mo. Sige.
Done.
Okay. Wait lang. Tatanggalin ko yung excess. Now, we're going to put the mixture. Okay, here. Hold mo, ah. Tapos, pagkalagay dito, gaganunin mo, anak, ha?
Okay.
Ha? Pagkalagay. Ready? No.